Hi, I'm Corey North, and today I'd like to talk to you about putting up silage as a feed source. Producing silage from a hay crop has many advantages for the producer. It extends the harvest time frame and sustains forage yield and quality during harvest. Ensiling a hay crop also yields a highly palatable, nutritious product that can help improve overall animal performance. Luckily, the Vermeer Pro balers are designed to fit the needs of a silage producer. From a solid frame to heavy-duty components like large bearings, chains, rollers, and poly pickup bands, Pro balers were built to handle wet, heavy bales. Looking for more info on silage or Vermeer Pro balers? Go to Vermeer.com or go to makinghay.com and search silage.